Gold has a powerful reputation. People call it the safest investment. But over the long run, gold usually doesn't grow your wealth. It mainly helps you protect it. So in this video, I'll explain why gold often isn't a strong long-term investment and what it's actually best used for. Let's start with a simple idea. A true long-term investment usually produces something. A business generates profits. Real estate can generate rent. Bonds pay interest. Gold is different. Gold doesn't produce cash flow, dividends, or earnings. It just sits there. So the only way you make money from gold is if the price rises and someone buys it from you for more later. Now, gold can rise in price, sometimes a lot. But a big reason is that money loses purchasing power over time because of inflation. So when people say gold went up, the question is, did gold become dramatically more valuable, or did the currency become less valuable? That's why many people describe gold less as an investment and more as wealth preservation. It's often protecting purchasing power rather than compounding it. Here's the key trade-off: opportunity cost. If you hold gold for decades, you might preserve value, but productive assets, like broad stock market investments, can grow because companies earn money, expand, and reinvest profits. That's compounding, and compounding is what builds wealth over the long term. So gold can help you not lose to inflation, but it often struggles to beat assets that produce value. Another point, gold can be unpredictable. It can go through long periods where it's flat or even down, and during those years you're not earning anything from it. That doesn't make gold bad, it just means it behaves more like a defensive asset than a long-term growth asset. So what is gold good for? 1. A hedge against inflation or currency weakness in certain periods. 2. A crisis diversifier when markets are stressed. 3. Portfolio insurance. In small amounts, it can reduce overall risk. So the calm, simple takeaway is this: gold is usually better at preserving wealth than building wealth. If your goal is long-term growth, you usually want assets that produce value and can compound over time. And if your goal is stability and protection, gold can play a role, just not as your main growth plan.